This building, this equipment, all this activity you see around us today are the result of a vision that started more than 7 years ago. That vision was to make Chromalloy one of the most capable and vertically integrated aftermarket solutions providers in the aircraft engine and IGT marketplace. Chromalloy's Tampa-based operations will employ 1,200 highly skilled, highly paid Tampa-based individuals.
I would like to specifically thank the entire team at Belac and the supporting teams at the ECOE and other Chromalloy sites who have worked so hard to plan, qualify, and commission this facility.
You're going to have an opportunity to walk around here today and see some of the equipment and see some of the parts we manufacture, and it is truly amazing technology.